One of the first questions that come up during a gas technician training course is, what is a BTU anyways? It is probably the most frequently used measuring unit in this course, and it is the abbreviation of the British Thermal Unit. Although it is called British, but it is imperial unit, not metric. The purpose of this video is to explain the calculation of temperature rise when a given amount of heat energy is applied to a given amount of water. Let's start by the definition. The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degrees Fahrenheit. For the purpose of this video, we will assume that this heat process is always going to be carried out during 1 full hour. Here is 1 BTU, and let's assume that each flame will burn for exactly 1 hour and will give out exactly 1 BTU. This is 1 pound of water. Before starting the process, it is at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And this clock indicates the duration of the process, always 1 full hour. By definition, the process will raise the temperature of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. The mathematical expression of the process is BTU per hour equals to pounds of water multiplied by delta T. Delta T is the amount of temperature difference before and after the process. In this example, 1 BTU per hour is equal to 1 pound of water multiplied by delta T, which is 1 degree Fahrenheit. Please note that this is a theoretical experiment, and it must assume that all the heat is transferred from the flame to the water without any loss. Using a second example, we double the amount of heat and double the amount of water. The duration is always 1 hour. Given that the initial temperature of water is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, how many degrees will it increase? Substituting the numbers in the formula, 2 BTUs per hour are equal to 2 pounds of water multiplied by delta T. Working the math will prove that delta T is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit, which means the water temperature will increase from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's have a look at the third example here. 1 BTU is applied to 2 pounds of water, this time initially at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The duration is 1 hour. How many degrees will the water temperature increase? Substitute the numbers in the formula. 1 BTU per hour is equal to 2 pounds of water multiplied by delta T. Delta T is equal to 1 over 2, or half a degree Fahrenheit, and the water temperature will increase from 50 to 50.5 degrees Fahrenheit. One more time, let's double the amount of heat and the amount of water. Here is 2 BTUs that are applied to 4 pounds of water. Initially, the water temperature is at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. During 1 hour, how many degrees will the water temperature increase? Substitute the numbers in the formula. 2 BTUs per hour equal to 4 pounds of water multiplied by delta T. Dividing both sides of the formula by 4, delta T is equal to 2 over 4, or half a degree Fahrenheit, and the water temperature will increase from 50 to 50.5 degrees Fahrenheit. As a last example, we have 4 BTUs applied to 2 pounds of water. Initially, water temperature is at 50 degrees Fahrenheit and the duration is 1 hour. How many degrees will the water temperature increase? Substituting the numbers again, 4 BTUs per hour are equal to 2 pounds of water multiplied by delta T. Divide both sides of the formula by 2, and the delta T will be 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That is going from 50 to 52 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope this was useful.